Welcome back to Smoking with the Robinsons. Brian and I decided today that we would switch roles, so I'm going to be your cook today, and I'm going to be cooking a pizza, just a real simple pepperoni. We're going to add some olives because Jag loves olives, so you can add whatever you want to this pizza. It's just a real simple, at-home pizza that we wanted to show you that we're going to cook on the Traeger grill. So we're going to get started. I went to the local store, just Walmart, and I got some just simple Prego pizza sauce. Got your cheese, pepperoni, some olives. I did get this crust. You can go anywhere and get any kind of crust. You can even go to Zaza's if you have a local Zaza's pizza, and they have pizza crust that you can buy. This is just a real thin crust. We like it. We basically just went ahead and put this on the pizza peel, and we put it underneath this. We put some butcher paper. You can use any kind of paper that you want to use. We just use this because it's easy. You want something that's not going to catch on fire while it's in the smoker, because trust me, that's no fun. Been there, done that. So anyway, we're going to start with the pizza sauce, and I just use a spoon, put it on fairly thin, thick, however you want to do it. You know, it's your choice. We don't typically like the sauce just super thick, just like our crust. We don't like a real thick crust. So I'm just gonna put this on here. We have our smoker heating up to around 400. We like it to be about 400 degrees. We're using Barbecuer's Delight pellets. Okay, that's good. We're gonna do like I said, a pretty thin layer. Done with that. And next we're gonna get our mozzarella cheese. Just gonna spread that on there. Again, if you like extra cheese, add as much cheese as you like. We like a little bit extra cheese. Again, this is just real simple pizza that we like to cook. It's really simple that you can do, something simple you can do in the afternoons if you're coming home and you don't really feel like cooking. I get that. And something that kids like. My nieces, they love to do this. My niece did it the other night. She enjoyed it. Now we're going to put on our pepperonis. Just put those, layer those on there. Gloves are sticking to my pepperoni bag. Some of these pepperonis are a little thick in here, and be sure to watch out for that. Sneak up on you. Don't want to put that on your pizza. Alright, we're going to add a few olives. Usually I do half and half because Brian's not too much of a olive person like Jag and I are. But today he's gonna just suffer through it. Okay. I won't go too crazy with them. And that's it. I am gonna add just a little bit of oregano leaves, just to give it just a little bit more of an authentic pizza taste, I guess. And she's ready to go on the smoker. Okay, we're ready to put the pizza on. As you can see, we've got our Traeger pellet smoker here. You can see we've got some good smoke rolling. It's running about, like I said, about 400 degrees. And we're gonna put it on. And as you see in here, we have a pizza stone that we've had preheating. You want to preheat your pizza stone before you put your pizza on, just so that you've got that heat already on. You're not putting a cold pizza stone in there. And you're just gonna slide your pizza. Be very careful, don't want to burn yourself. Slide your pizza on there with your paper still underneath it. And then we're just gonna close it. We're gonna give it about 5 to 10 minutes. We'll check it and see if it's ready. We want their crust to be getting a little crusty on the bottom or brown on the bottom before we pull that butcher paper off. So we'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 8 minutes or so. We're gonna check on it and see if it's ready to get the paper out of the bottom and then rotate the pizza. Yeah. Okay, yeah, it's looking good. You see you've got a good brown crust is getting done. So we wanna pull it back. I'm gonna pull it back and I'm gonna rotate it around. And then I'm gonna put it back on the smoker. Close my lid. We're going to give it a few more minutes, probably about 3 to 5 minutes or so, because it was looking pretty good underneath. So you don't want your crust to get too dark or too hard. So we'll be right back. Okay, this pizza is ready to come off. It's been about 2 or 3 more minutes. So we're going to go ahead and get it off. Looking good. And we're gonna just let our pizza sit for a little bit, for a few minutes, and let it rest a little bit, and then we're gonna cut it up and we'll come back to you. Okay, y'all, this is the final product of our pizza that we did today. Just your simple, easy pizza on the grill. Smells amazing, turned out good. We're pretty proud of it. Please be sure to like all of our videos, share our videos on Facebook. Comment below if you would like to see anything for us to do in the future, cook in the future. Please do subscribe to our channel. I would like to get more likes and more shares than Brian, so please share this video. And then maybe next time, if I get more shares and likes, maybe I'll be the one that does the next video. We'll see. Thanks for tuning in.